Damn it, I forgot to put primer on. Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Chantal Mahadio. If you guys are new here, welcome. Thank you for viewing. Thank you for subscribing. So on my channel I wanted to do like a series of me using all the Anastasia palettes that I own. So that's what I'm gonna be doing today. Today's look is me using the Carli Bybel using the Carli Bybel's collaboration with Anastasia Beverly Hills, and this is the look that I created. Snatched, liner, smoke, lip, just, you know, just a vibe, so if you want to see me create this look, stay tuned. Okay you guys, so to prep my eyes I went in with the P. Louise base in the shade Rumor 0.5, and now I'm gonna go in with the Carli Bybel palette. This is Carli Bybel by Anastasia Beverly Hills, and I have absolutely no idea what look I'm gonna create today. I'm just kind of winging it. This is what the eyeshadow palette looks like. First gonna go in with the shade Chai, and I'm gonna put that in my crease. So with that shade I'm just pressing it onto the eyelid, the crease area, and then now I'm gonna take the edges of the brush and lightly blend. Using a smaller brush I'm gonna go in with the shade Bowie. This green right here, is it green? So it's like a brown, I don't know. Looks brown, and I'm gonna put that in the outer corner. And I'm not taking it in the crease, I'm just kind of blending it right into the chai and pulling it out to create kind of like a wing shape. Now I'm going back in with the brush that I used for chai, and I'm just kind of blending the edges of it. I want to darken the crease a little bit, so I'm gonna go in with my bronzer. This is the Fenty Beauty Sunstalker in the shade Caramel Cutie. This palette does not have like a dark brown eyeshadow, and I'm using a smaller brush. And I'm actually going in a little bit higher than my crease area. So now to contour, I'm going in with the MAC Perfecting Stick in the shade NW45. And I'm using my foundation brush to blend that out. Okay, so to highlight under my eyes, I'm going in with the NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer in the shade Custard. Then with Laura Mercier. Okay, so now I'm going in with the Sephora Micro Smooth Powder, and this is in the shade Sand. Is it Sand? Yeah. Using the same brush. I have not been into like powdering my face lately. Powdering. But I heard so many good things about this powder that I wanted to try it. So I'm only doing a little bit. All over. Okay, now I'm going in with the Fenty Sunstalker bronzer in the shade Caramel Cutie to bronze my face. Again, using the same brush. I just really like this brush earlier. For blush, I'm going in with the Clinique Ginger Pop. I'm taking the Morphe Continuous Setting Mist because I feel like my skin is a little bit too dry. So now I'm gonna take a little bit of this Extra Dimension Skin Finish from MAC. I cannot pronounce the name of it, and I believe this one was limited edition, but I'm just gonna put a little bit on my cheeks. For highlight, I'm going in with the Laura Mercier Matte Radiance Baked Powder in the shade Highlight 01. And now I'm going in with a little bit of the Whisper of Guilt. Now I'm taking Yash by MAC. Guys, so this is the end results. Super snatched. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe if you want to come back and vibe. Bye guys. Which is really filling this eye. Look at that shade. Ooh, 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 ooh.